So when you correct a child, ACE, acknowledge, correct, encourage. That means I like the way you're breathing, whatever they're doing, okay? If you want to make it better, then you give them the correction, and then before they even try it, you high-five them to encourage them so they feel successful. ACE, acknowledge, correct, encourage, okay? So this is what you do. Take your lips, bring them in like this like you lost all your teeth, and then when you breathe out with your mouth, you're just going to breathe. Try it. Look how surprised she was! You just messed yourself up. She just screwed herself up. She's like, shit, how'd you do that? Now, every story you've ever made up about how you can't do animal voices is just right. Is that what it was? Is that exactly it? Look at her face. But I'm going to be serious. Look how effing happy she is right now. Because that's called having a mental breakthrough. If you've been telling yourself, here's what's nuts. If you've been telling yourself you can't do something based on just your mind, just try it anyway. How many of you have never tasted a certain food because your brain tells you you're not going to like it? Worst case scenario, you taste it, it's disgusting, you got 5 minutes of like that. And best case scenario, you discovered a new food that you can enjoy for the rest of your life.